Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will be sharing a tutorial on SADP tool Hikvision password reset. If you haven't installed the SADP tool application yet, please download the SADP tool application from the official Hikvision website, and then proceed to install it. Once you have installed it, please open the SADP tool application. Ensure that both your Hikvision device and your PC are connected to the same network, and make sure your Hikvision device is detected in the SADP tool application. Next, select your device by checking the checkbox. Click on Forget Password to enter the Reset Password interface. In the mode selection, choose Export/Import Secret Key mode. Click the Export Keys button to download the XML device key file. Specify the storage location for the file in the pop-up window. Select the folder to save the device's request key file on your PC. Send the request key file to the technical team, and the technical team will send a key back to you. To get in touch with the technical team, please visit the official Hikvision website and go to the Contact Us section. Please select your country or region according to your location. For example, here I'll choose India. Navigate to the Technical Service section and obtain the technical team's email or WhatsApp number. Next, you can contact the technical team via email or WhatsApp, attaching the XML file you obtained through exporting keys. Wait until you receive the reset key from the technical team. Once you have received the key, please input or copy-paste it into the Input Key text box in the SADP tool. Make sure to enter it correctly, as uppercase and lowercase letters matter. Enter a new password in the New Password and Confirm Password text boxes. The system will automatically determine the password strength, and it is strongly recommended to use a strong password to ensure data security. Finally, click Confirm to reset the password. Congratulations! Reset password succeeded. That's it. How to password reset Hikvision DVR using the SADP tool. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.